Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this Maidan, okay, ये मैदान किसका मैदान? अल्लाह का मैदान है, मस्जिद का घर. And Alhamdulillah, in his house, most beautiful thing is taking place. There was a huge demand in the market. What was the demand? Jobs, jobs, jobs. So we are all here for that purpose. Now, what does a job do? It gives you safety, it gives you security, it gives you a fixed income, it gives you the ability to take care of your parents, your family, your spouse, your children. So that is the biggest strength you need to have in today's day and age. Okay, if you want to do Allah's work needs in today's day and age huge strength. When it comes, for example, I'll give one small example. For example, God forbid somebody's mother is sick and you have to take a very, very serious decision within half an hour to 1 hour. Today's community and all communities put together, many of them, 1.2 crore population we have in Bangalore, out of which less than 50% are actually having that kind of literacy rate. Okay, the Muslim community in Bangalore is around 20 lakh population. Okay, out of which every 100 students in higher education enrollment, ours is only 4. What was it before pandemic? It was number 12. So 8% we have dropped. So my dear leaders, let's wake up. Let's work for the people. Okay, no more dialogue, no more traveling. Let's come stand here under rain. I'm so proud of my people. Beautiful mother in the world. I mean, for my eyes, they're the most, everyone's mother is beautiful. But for my eyes, my mother is the most beautiful mother in the world. And all her blessings are here with us. Alhamdulillah. For the grace of the Creator, your blessings are there. Madam Chancellor, Kausar Nisar, Chairperson of also Presidency Foundation. My dear big brother, Dr. Nisar Ahmad Sahab, Chancellor of Presidency University, without him, which will not be able to do. And my big brother, Mr. Suhail Ahmad, Vice Chairman of Presidency Group. Thank you so much, brother, for all your love, your support. Thank you so much. My beautiful wife, Shaima, and my beautiful daughter, Dua Aisha, thank you for everything. And each and every one, Alhamdulillah, 150 corporates have joined today. Around 3,000 plus walk-ins have happened today. And the last time when we did this last year, 2022, in DJ Halli, around 1,450 people have come last time inside DJ Halli. And we have given around 750 jobs thanks to Presidency Foundation and AMP. Thank you both for the wonderful job that you continue to do in society. I would like to take the opportunity to thank Nazir Ahmad, Mr. Shahid Bhai, Mr. Shah Rukh, and Madam, of course, from the head of the AMP team. Thanks to each and every individual who has walked in today wholeheartedly with their documents, with that niyat, with that intention of trying to do good for yourself and your family. You want to be independent, you want to be interdependent. That's your right. You deserve that. The most important person who I feel I should thank is the one, the true creator. Okay, in Allah, the meaning is what? The meaning is the one. Please remember this meaning. Okay, Brahma, the creator of this universe, Yahweh, creator of this universe, many names are there. But the oneness and all the prophets that have come to send a message to the people at large, what is the message they have sent? Work for him, work for his cause, bow for him 5 times in a day, put your head and bow to your creator 5 times in a day. Is it so hard, my brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah, my mother has taught us well about religion, about ilm, about knowledge, about employment, and how it is all interconnected. It is important. If we are strong, if we have to be strong, our literacy rate has to be strong. If we have to be strong, our employment rate has to be strong. If we have to be strong, our women have to be strong. If we have to be strong, our children have to be educated. What is the enrollment today in school? If you see Neel Sandra, there are 5,000 children in Neel Sandra, out of which only 1,000 to 1,000 are going to government schools. Balance 1,000 children are sitting at home. This is today's sad reality. Let's wake up. Let's work towards it. Please understand the seriousness, because we are living in a world of artificial intelligence and we are going to live in a world of quantum computers. They are no one to replace us. Please, I am making it very clear today. Okay, we are independent. We are independent. May Allah bless each and every one of you, success, kamyabi, and inshallah, may all of you, I wish, get good jobs and are well settled in life, are happy with your life. Take care of mother, your own mother. I mean, I'll take care of my mother, my parents, our elders, our spouse, our siblings, their spouses, their children, and obviously orphans, widows, zakat at large. See, Alhamdulillah, many big families are there in Bangalore. But there is only one Sherni I have seen in Bangalore, Ms. Kausar Nisar. Alhamdulillah, she has built, Alhamdulillah, 3 masjids. I don't know, in a very short period of time. Next week, Alhamdulillah, her masjid is opening inshallah, ma, wish you all the very best. I'm just saying, I know you don't want to share this to the world, but I'm very proud of you, ma. I love you. Okay, thank you all very much. Thank you for coming.
This platform is created specially for the people who are looking for jobs and unable to find. They need to go searching for jobs, they need to hunt for jobs. So there is this kind of a platform where I think already around 130 companies, 150 almost companies are over here today, and it's going to be so easy for you all to be selected by the companies, and you will be definitely, I'm sure you will be getting the placed somewhere, inshallah. And rightly Salman spoke so much and so well. I hope many of you all understood what he was trying to pass on the message. Everybody needs to be well settled and become independent, because as he was saying now, even if there is somebody unwell in the family, it's so difficult to take them to the hospital and get the treatment done, and every smallest thing, even for education, for the children, it's so hard. So definitely every individual has to be earning, and they definitely have to take care of their near and dear ones. Otherwise they face so much of challenges, it's so tough. Sometimes I've seen people go and ask, so many other people need to help them out to overcome those kind of situations. When their mother or family is admitted and they are serious in the hospital, they don't have money to do that treatment. Even insurance, not many people have. So after understanding and all these many things, there are so many, if I go to speak, how the people face the day-to-day issues in life. So this kind of job opportunities, we have thought about this for the sake of the people who is in need of job. I think this is going to be continued every year. We are planning to have this, as we have also associated with AMP, and their support is there. And I should really say hats off, unconditional support to all of them who have participated for today's job fair. Sumita, our Kavya, Asha, Irshad, Salman, Samira, Presidency Foundation, and Kogilo and college, our Hebbal College, Presidency College students, and also our media, all of them who are here with us from morning. I think early morning they have been with us from morning, and there's so many of you all who are standing over here on the left hand side. Thank you so much for being with us and to support all of them. We wish you all the best. God bless you all. May this day give a smile to so many of the people who are present over here, who has come with that confidence, who has come with that, yes. So they are almost waiting, so with excitement of the new jobs which they are going to be today selected. And there is one thing that we have taught our children, especially this one thing all of you should know. There should not be any differences. There is no caste and creed. Maybe we are following some religion because our ancestors used to follow. Somebody else is following something else. That is the culture what we are been following, because it was coming from the ancestors. So, but we have all supposed to be having just one faith. The God is one, or as Salman rightly said, Brahma, and then he said Yahweh, and then Allah. All ultimately it is all one, and we all, by the way, everybody knows that. But just the differences are created in this earth. And helping is the first thing what God is happy and He blesses you for. First thing is what you have to do is, if you are able to help somebody, even if you don't have so much money to provide support, even if you want to give support, you can give make him cross the road. That is also called as a sadaqah jariyah. That is also called, not that you need to have only money to support. There are so many various ways of supporting people, one another, those who are in real need. And even giving a glass of water to a thirsty person who is waiting outside your house, or wherever you see somebody struggling or something is happening on the street or anywhere else, you need to help each other. That is the motive of our life. Why are we there in this earth? This is a very temporary world and we are not going to be permanently. Even if you look back, what do you see? I don't think so. Everybody will agree that, in the past, whatever we see back, nobody stays permanently in this world. And what you do good, only that will come to your help. So we all have to understand this one thing, that we all have to be kind and help each other in their needs and support. This is why we are here in this earth. This is the purpose of being here. And understand the pain of others. When you understand the pain of others, automatically you will start thinking of what to do something, how can I help somebody. This is how I brought up my children, and this is how at the young age all my 3 children, including Suhail and Salman and Nafisa, they always look forward to do something, and anybody needs any help, even they will go out of the way and they will never say no to anybody. They will just try to do whatever is possible in their hands. That is how I brought them up. And I'm so proud as a mother that today I am able to feel and have a smile on my face that I brought them to this stage. That today onwards, from now onwards, it's almost, they have started, since Salman has started almost, since he started to work. Even that little, whatever money he earns, I feel that he's earning. The same way, this is my eldest son, Suhail. He also does a lot of work and he doesn't say what he does, but he also does quite a bit of helping. And this is how my daughter is also. We are only made, most of the time, we just want to give. We want to give and we just want to give to the world where we are here, and this is why we are here in this world. Thank you so much.